You're not small because your arms suck. You're small because your neck disappeared from your program. Chest day, back day, arm day, leg day, all locked in. Neck day? Never happened. But this one muscle can flip how your entire body reads at a glance. You've seen the side-by-sides. Before diving in, please subscribe Apex Muscle. Same guy, same face, same shoulders. But one version has 2 extra inches on his neck, and suddenly he looks like a different species. Most lifters skip it completely and lump it in with calves, the forgotten muscle graveyard. Your neck doesn't get real work anywhere in daily life. No direct training, no growth. Let's change that. A big neck isn't just aesthetics, though yes, it instantly makes you look more powerful, more athletic, more dangerous. It's function too. Wake up stiff every morning? Get headaches that make you feel a decade older? That's very likely a neck that's never been trained, carrying a head it was never built to support. Your neck is the foundation your skull sits on. Strengthen it, and posture, tension, and pain all improve together. Meanwhile, the average lifter's chest is huge, and his neck is a drinking straw holding up a bowling ball. Here's the good news buried in the bad. Because your neck never gets trained, it's insanely responsive the second you start. This is one of the fastest growing muscle groups in the entire body. But first, understand what you're actually training. The neck has 3 jobs: forward flexion, chin to chest. This hits the sternocleidomastoids, the thick ropes running from ear to collarbone. Train this and you get instant visual thickness. Backward flexion, looking up. This is your neck extensors and traps, locking your posture in place under load. And lateral flexion and rotation, tilting and turning. Skip any one of these and you get a lopsided, half-finished neck. Train all 3 and it looks built on purpose. Warm up first, non-negotiable. The neck is packed with small, sensitive muscles. Go in cold and heavy and you're looking at strains, stiffness, even dizziness mid-set. 1 to 2 minutes of slow nods, rotations, and tilts. Get blood in there before you load it. Exercise 1, neck curls for front thickness. Lie flat on a bench, shoulders on the edge, head hanging free. Tuck your chin to your chest, then lower back down with control. Start body weight only. Once it's clean, add resistance with a towel-padded plate on the forehead or a fat grip dumbbell. 3 sets of 10 to 20 reps. Exercise 2, neck extensions for rear support. Face down on the bench, head hanging off the edge. Plate on the back of the head, lower into a full stretch, then raise to neutral. Don't hyperextend. Same rep scheme, 3 sets of 10 to 20. Exercise 3, rotation and lateral flexion for balance. Lie sideways on a bench, head hanging past the edge, and lower your ear toward your shoulder without twisting. Control it back up, 3 sets of 10 to 20 per side. 1 to 2 sessions a week is enough for most people to see real change. If recovery is solid, push it to 3 or 4. Progressive overload applies here just like everywhere else. More reps, more weight, slower tempo, over time. Your neck isn't a joke muscle. It's the base your entire upper body sits on, and it's one of the few places you can add visible size in weeks, not months. Train it like you train everything else, with intent. If this video helps you, so please subscribe Apex Muscle for more video.